it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today guys, I've got for you a Superdrug haul. So yes guys, I've got a Superdrug haul for you today. I love a good Superdrug haul. I do one every single month because I think there's some fantastic bargains on there, and Superdrug stock a lot of my favourite products and things. So it's always worth me having a little look there every month. It's not the biggest of hauls today, but I have picked up a few makeup bargains on their 3 for 2 that's running at the moment. That's worth checking out. And I've also picked up some things on their star buys. As you know, I absolutely love Superdrug star buys. They have new ones every Wednesday. And on there they have lots of special offers that just run from Wednesday to Wednesday. And it's definitely worth checking out. They have a lot of the same products coming on there week after week. Oh, sorry, not every week, but like every so many weeks they will have similar products on there. So if you do miss a bargain, it's definitely worth, looking back on there every week to check what they've got, because I think they do some amazing things. I picked up the Imagination palettes on my last Superdrug haul. They're always doing offers on like toothpaste and fragrances and whatnot. There's lots of things, so definitely check those out. Anyway, I'm rambling. I will just show you what I've got. Okay, well, I will start with what I've actually picked up on the Superdrug star buys this week. Well, actually, it was last week now, so unfortunately, these are no longer on the star buys. But like I say, it's always worth checking out the star buys because they might be on there again. And if not, there's always some decent offers on there anyway. Okay, firstly then, I picked up something for my hair. It's not a product I'd actually seen before, and I was just a little bit curious. They were on the star buys, like I say. And it was this L'Oreal Elvive Dream Length No Haircut Cream. And it says it helps to seal split ends and reduce breakage. It's something that you leave in. It's for long hair, and apparently it stops you from needing a haircut so often. I don't know. Now, my hair isn't actually too bad at the moment, but it is just kind of an in-case kind of product. I was curious when I saw it on the star buys. So this, guys, would usually be £5.99, but I picked it up on the star buys for £3.50. They also had the shampoo and conditioner on there. I'll let you know what it says on the back, because like I say, I hadn't actually seen this before and I was just a little curious. Like I say, it was just genuinely one of those things I thought, ooh. So it says, does the appearance of split ends and hair breakage make you feel like you need a haircut? Discover Elvive Dream Lens No Haircut Cream. Its reinforcing formula helps to reduce the appearance of split ends and reduce the breakage from brushing. Say no to cutting your ends. It also has a long hair tip on here, and it says to apply before using heat appliances to protect your hair at up to 180 degrees and add shine back to long lengths. So it just says you apply to the lengths and ends of wet or dry hair, and then in case of contact with eyes, then you should rinse. So yeah, I mean, like I say, my hair is fairly healthy at the moment. There's no split ends and things, but should they start to appear or start to worry, then I have this to try out. I just thought it sounded miraculous, really, I guess, that it's the fact that you don't need a haircut and your hair will stay looking healthy. I don't know if that's the best of things. I don't know if there's any hairdressers watching. If it's probably, I mean, they say it's healthier to try and get your hair cut like, what, twice a year or something? But yeah, I don't know. It was just something I saw on there that seemed a little different, and I thought, you know what, why not pick it up? If anybody has tried anything from this range, let me know what you think. Like I say, I just saw it and thought it was a little different. I didn't pick up the shampoo and conditioner. I have my shampoo and conditioner I like to use, but I just picked this one up. So let me know your thoughts if you've seen it, or if you'd like to know my thoughts on this, then yeah, just drop me some comments. Next on the star buys then, I picked up some shower gel from Superdrug, and well, it's Superdrug's own range. I know everything's from Superdrug. Basically, this one I got a couple of months ago. I took it on holiday with me. I actually got the dragon fruit and vanilla one, but this time I picked up the coconut one. Coconut smells always remind me of kind of holidays and things, so it's great, like summer scent. So this was 69p on the star buys, down from 99p, which isn't like a massive saving, but it's a decent saving, and I really liked these. I thought it was good, so yay. The last thing that I picked up on the star buys then actually isn't for me. I picked up this Garnier Skin Active Moisture Bomb Tissue Mask. It's the one with the pomegranate extract. I have thoroughly enjoyed using the Garnier masks when I've done my Face Mask Fridays. And I've had the idea that my next giveaway, which I plan on doing when I hit either 500 subscribers or more than likely when I hit a year on my channel, which I think is the end of August. And I thought it would be nice to do like a Face Mask Friday themed one, because I try to do my Face Mask Fridays every week and I find them super fun. So I thought, you guys might like a pampering treat. So I picked this up on the Star Buys. It retails at £2.99, but I got this for £1.49. So a nice little bargain, and I'm going to pop it aside and I'm going to get some other bits and bobs for like a pampering treat when I do my next giveaway. So I thought that was like a nice little one to add because I've enjoyed the Garnier masks, and I think, possibly, I could be wrong, this might have actually been my very first Face Mask Friday face mask. I'm not 100% sure, but it could well have been. Okay, then next I picked up some things on Superdrug's 3 for 2 across makeup and cosmetics at the moment. And that's still running, as far as I'm aware, at the time of this video will be going up. They run it every now and then, 3 for 2, and it's fantastic for, you know, stocking up on the essentials. It won't come as any surprise to any of you that I actually picked up 3 Revolution products. Basically, there was a couple of things I needed and I took advantage of 3 for 2. Firstly then, I will show you the things I actually needed, and then I'll show you my more frivolous purchase, but it's something I've wanted for a while. Okay, so firstly then, you see these often on my Superdrug hauls. I picked up the Revolution Supersize Conceal and Define Concealer. It's my absolute fave concealer, and this one is 3 times the size of the normal one that they used to do, which is £4, and this one costs £7. I actually picked this up in C5 this time because I know the summer's coming and things, and I've got the F5 foundation to use, and I thought that this might go nicely with that. So yeah, it's a goodie. It's something that I've talked about often, so I won't go on too much, but yeah, I highly recommend this. The next thing that I needed then, I was running low on setting spray, so I have picked up this one. It is the Matte Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray. I think this is one that I used to get often and I really liked, but I think they've changed the packaging ever so slightly. It's still lovely packaging, it's nice and sleek. But yeah, so this one is £5, and like I say, 3 for 2 makes, this actually would have been the freebie that I got. So not bad for free. And I find that the Revolution fixing sprays, at the minute I'm using the one that they call Amazing Fixing Spray or something, and genuinely actually is quite amazing. It does definitely do the job. And like I said, I think this was the one I was using prior to that, and I love it. I think that for a £5, they're amazing. So I didn't actually really need anything else on the 3 for 2, and I was kind of flicking through and trying to think of something to use that was maybe more of a, I don't know, a sensible buy. But in the end, I thought, sod it, I'm going to buy this thing that I've wanted for ages because it looks amazing. It's Revolution, and it is their Foil Frenzy eyeshadow palette. And oh my god, it is absolutely stunning. I opened this a couple of days ago and I was just like, oh my god. And I literally spent a good few minutes just staring at the colours. I mean, they're so pretty. They're all like metallic, like foil shades. Now, I might actually do a video swatching these because honestly, it took a lot for me not to swatch these, not to just get in there straight and do that. But I wanted to show you guys on this video kind of first the palette and things. But I'm so excited to try this one, guys. It's so pretty. Anyway, right, I'm going on about how pretty it is. I need to tell you how much it was. So this is £8. Now, £8 is probably more expensive for a Revolution palette, considering there's only, what, 15 shades in here? But Revolution palettes are amazing, and £8, I'm sure, is going to be an absolute bargain. And like I said, I picked it up on the 3 for 2, so it meant I got the setting spray for free. Or actually, when you go into your order details on Superdrug, they do actually tell you how much each item worked out for in the 3 for 2 if you like combined the savings amongst the 3 products. And so this one would have been £5.99 on that. The concealer would have been £5.25, and therefore the setting spray would have been £3.75. So I think, you know, the 3 for 2 is definitely worth having a little look at. But yes, I'm so excited to try this. Like I say, I might do a video on this palette. I'm sure other people have done videos and things on this, but I am so excited to get my hands into it and, oh, just have a go. They're so pretty. I love shimmery shades, and these just look, they look so pretty. Okay, then the last thing to show you guys is, because I picked up 3 items on the 3 for 2 from Superdrug, they were doing a freebie. And in here you get this watermelon inflatable drink holder for taking away on holiday, or I don't know, lounging about in the garden with or something. And yeah, it's just an inflatable watermelon. I'll just open it. And obviously a little holder for your drink in the middle. You can pop that in the pool and enjoy your cocktail while you're in the pool. I think it's super cute and for free. Superdrug are so amazing at doing their offers. Really, genuinely love a good Superdrug offer and a Superdrug freebie. So thank you, Superdrug. Okay, so you've probably heard me go on enough. But yeah, definitely Superdrug is always worth checking out. Well, for me anyway, I do it every payday. And the Star buys, definitely worth checking out every Wednesday, in my opinion, because you do get some really, really good buys on there sometimes. And you know, you get some of your essentials and whatnot on there you can pick up for a good price. So anyway, that's it. If you've liked this video, then please hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And remember to subscribe if you haven't already, because it would be fantastic to have you here. And until my next video then, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.